Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see some a bit advanced level problems based on definite integration. Hello friends, in this video we are going to see a bit advanced level problems based on definite integration. That is, it will be a little bit complex or tough, you can say, to the previous problems. Let us start with problem number 1. Integral 1 to 4 root x minus 1 upon root x dx. Here, both the functions can be found out using the formula integral x raised to n dx, as it goes integral x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. But for that, x should be present in the numerator. Here you can see we have x here, but in this x it is not present in the numerator. Therefore, the first step that we are going to do is convert the root sign in fraction and later on take this x in numerator. I is given as 1 to 4 root x minus 1 upon root x dx. Therefore, 1 to 4 root x can be written as x raised to half minus 1 upon x raised to half. Now, if I take this x raised to half in the numerator, this will become x raised to minus half. I will be 1 to 4 x raised to half minus x raised to minus half dx. Here you can separate the integral to both the functions. This will give you integral 1 to 4 x raised to half dx minus integral 1 to 4 x raised to minus half dx. Now, integration of both these functions can be found out using the formula integral x raised to n dx. As we know, it is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So let us use this formula to find its answer. Therefore, I is equal to, this will give you 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 within limits 1 to 4 minus, we have minus half plus 1 upon minus half plus 1 within limits 1 to 4. On further solving, this will give you half plus 1 as 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 from 1 to 4 minus minus half plus 1 will give you plus half upon 1 by 2 within limits 1 to 4. Now the reciprocals of this fraction will be multiplied to the numerator. Therefore, I is equal to, the reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. X raised to 3 by 2 from 1 to 4 minus, we have 2 x raised to 1 by 2 from 1 to 4. Taking this 2 by 3 and 2 constant outside, we have 2 upon 3 x raised to 3 by 2 from 1 to 4 minus 2 into x raised to 1 by 2 from 1 to 4. In the next step, you can substitute the upper and the lower limits. Therefore, I will be 2 by 3, 4 raised to 3 by 2. Instead of x, we have substituted 4 minus 1 raised to 3 by 2 minus, we have 2 into 4 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 raised to 1 by 2. Here you can see raised to 1 by 2 means square root, and square root of 4 is 2. Here the square root of 1 will be 1. Let us see how to find the value of 4 raised to 3 by 2. You can write 4 raised to 3 by 2 in two ways. You can either write 4 cube the whole raised to 1 by 2 as a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. That means 3 into 1 by 2 will give you 3 by 2. Or you can write this as 4 raised to 1 by 2 the whole cube. In short, you can interchange its places. Now we know that 4 cube is 64 raised to half, or Here you can say 4 raised to half means square root of 4, that is 2. We have whole cube. Here we have 64 raised to half, that is square root of 64 is 8, or 2 cube will give you 8 only. It means in both the cases the value of 4 raised to 3 by 2 will be 8 only. It depends on you that which way is more easier for you. Therefore I is equal to 2 upon 3. Value of 4 raised to 3 by 2, we have found out it as 8, minus 1 raised to 3 by 2 is 1 only, minus 2 into square root of 4 is 2, minus square root of 1 is 1. On further solving, I will be 2 by 3 into 8 minus 1 will give you 7, minus 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1. Here we have 2 into 7 14, 14 upon 3, minus we have 2 ones are 2, whose denominator will be 1. On solving these two fractions, we have 14 ones are 14, minus 2 into 3 will give you 6, upon 3 into 1 is 3. 14 minus 6 will give you 8 upon 3. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.